Welcome to the Middleware Tech YouTube channel. In this series, you'll learn about Lambda Expression. All code examples used in the videos will be available on GitHub. Let's get started.
First Java 8 features I'm talking about, its name is Lambda Expression. Lambda Expression. First Java 8 features. It's a very good features. And why I'm saying very good? Because if you know this Lambda Expression very well, because just knowing the concept is not enough, we have to use this Lambda Expression concept in our day-to-day programming. Then only we can use it in the case study. Because we can write very less number of code using Lambda Expression. Very less and concise code we can write using Lambda Expression. I'll just show you some example now only, and you'll find that I can replace my existing Java code using Lambda Expression, where I have to write very less number of code. Okay, and that is the advantage of Lambda Expression they put in Java 8. So we can write very less and concise code. So if I want to say some point, let me say some point before coming step by step. Number point is that less and concise or very less code implementation. Okay. Very less code implementation we can do with the help of Lambda Expression. First point I have given. Second point is that let me say some introduction before coming into the actual Lambda Expression. So this features came from Java 8. Since I'm talking about Java 8 features only, so I'm not going to write the name. So this Lambda Expression concept came. It is not a new concept, though it is a new concept in Java 8. But this Lambda Expression concept is not a new concept. This concept came in mathematics. If you have worked on, anyone have worked on mathematics, you'll find one of the module is there that is called Lambda Calculus. Lambda Calculus. And this Lambda Calculus module, mathematics, that came in the year 1930. So it is not a new module. So after that, they implemented this Lambda Calculus concept. First implementation of Lambda Calculus concept came in one of the object-oriented programming language. Its name is Lisp programming. So in the Lisp programming, first they implemented this Lambda Expression concept. Right. So now, why they came with this Lambda Expression concept, I'll come into that. For the time, I'm just saying is that we can write very less and concise code. There is some other task is also there. I'm coming all the things in step by step. So after that, lots of language they have implemented, and in Python, already you know, right? Python is one of the today dominating language, two language. One is Python, another is Java. So in Python, it was there from the starting itself. If you know, Python official version came before Java came. Java came in the year 1995, right? Whereas Python version came in the year 1989. Okay, that time Python 1989, right, or 89 or 90. That time that official version of Python first time came, right? So this lambda calculus or lambda expression concept that came from the Python from the initial phase itself, because Python also has multiple version 1.x, 2.x. Current version of Python is 3.x, right? So Python from 1.x version itself, this lambda expression concept was there. So using this lambda expression, we can write very less and concise code. And another one important thing is that it will support the concept of functional programming, but still I'm not talked about that. I'll come into this after some time. So this lambda expression came in the Python very long back. Before Java, Python have implemented this concept. And so Java guys also find that this is another important features, and from Java 8 they've implemented in Java 8 version you find this lambda expression. Correct. So let's understand this lambda expression before going with Python also implement in their code. So why now? Let's understand this lambda expression. Let's understand it before going into theoretical side. So I'm saying another one term. Just see here, lambda expression. Number 5th point about lambda expression is that lambda expression is an anonymous function. What I'm saying, lambda expression is an anonymous function. I'm just saying that lambda expression is an anonymous function. Just now we talked about anonymous function. What I find about anonymous function? The function that does not have any name. But we can create an object of the class. That is called anonymous class. Correct. So this lambda expression is one type of anonymous function. What does it mean by this? What is the meaning of this? That means without name, that is without return type. If name is not there, then how return type will come? Return type, that is without my modifier. How it is? Let me give an example. I'm just writing here one method. See here how we can write a lambda expression. Just see here, I'm just writing a simple Java method. Let's say I'm going to print some string that welcome to Java 8 features. I'm just writing a method. Public void show. This is a simple method, Java method itself. So already you know how to write Java method. This Java method, we should write something inside this like system.out.println. Okay, and you're going to print welcome to Java 8. I'm just printing one string. So this Java method is printing a string. You can see here. Fine. Now what I want to do is that I want to convert this Java method as a lambda expression. This method signature all of us is familiar with, but we are not familiar with lambda expression. So I'm just saying that lambda expression, I'm going to write very less and concise code. Lambda expression is an anonymous function. So what does it mean is that that function should not have any name, without name. If it is, Control C, I'm just printing once again. Since I'm doing first time, that's why I'm just going like this. Control V, without name. Just here, please. Function has no name. Right. Second is that without return type. Okay. If without return type, let me write once again. Same version. Control C. It will come like this. Without return type. Without modifier. So how it will be look like? Without modifier. So it will come like this. See here how it look like. Fine. So this function converted like this. Yes. Now we use one special symbol to tell that it's a lambda expression. That special symbol will come here. This is a special symbol we should use to say that I'm going to create a lambda expression. Remember, where you're going to use this special symbol. You're not going to use this special symbol inside the bracket. No, you remember where I'm going to put this special symbol. This special symbol, remember, the left side of the special symbol will take input. Right side of the special symbol will give some output. Again, I'm saying, here I'm going to take one special symbol. Left side of the special symbol will take some input. And right side of the special symbol will take some output. Right side of the special symbol will take some output. Will print some output. Fine. Okay. So we came here till here. Fine. Next. We'll come till here. Okay. Now see here. This is called a lambda expression. Why? Because till when you have added this symbol, it becomes a lambda expression. So the body of the lambda expression contain only one line. If the body of the lambda expression contain only one line, then I don't need curly brace. Remember this. A body of the lambda expression contain one line, we don't need any curly brace. Again, I'm saying. Number 6 property. If the body of the lambda expression contain only one line, right? Then we can remove the curly brace. Then we can remove the curly brace, right? Okay. So based on that, we can come into this symbol like this, right? Okay. Now these curly braces are optional. If you have multiple lines, okay, then you can use curly brace. But in this example, you have only one line, right? That's why you can remove that. So this is called lambda expression. So the complete method that we can write in Java, show method. The show method we have replaced like this. This is called lambda expression. We can represent the same thing using very less and concise code. Let me give some 2 or 3 examples, then it will be much more clear. Let me give the second example. Okay, this is assume, take it as a case 1. Let me take 2 or 3 examples, then things will be clear. This is case 1, assume. Let me take the second example, case 2. So in the case 2, you can write a particular method, like you're going to do some addition between two numbers. Okay, so same like that, right? So public void method int a comma int b, and here inside this method you can use you can write here system dot out dot println. You can print addition between a plus b, so you can write here a plus b. This is a simple Java method. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to convert this Java method as a Lambda expression, right? I'm going to convert this Java method as a Lambda expression. So what I'm going to say just now is that, just see here, let me write it once again, Control C and Control V. Yes. Now what I'm going to do is that, once again, Lambda expression is nothing but anonymous function. So that means no method name, no return type, no access specifier. Fine. Now I have to make it as a Lambda expression using this symbol. Remember, where I'm going to use the symbol, left side should be input, right side should be output. Fine. Now you have to remember that from Java 8 version, the input parameter that you have given from Java 8 version, Lambda expression input parameter can automatically identify what should be the input data type. Again, I'm saying from Java 8, Lambda expression can automatically identify the input data type. So I don't need this two also on the left side. Fine. So right, okay. So in the left side I have input, and the right side I have output. So only one argument in the right side. So I don't need the curly brace. Only one argument in the right side. So I don't need the curly brace. So it will come like this. Fine. Now, right. So this is, so what happened is that, see here, the complete method we have converted as a Lambda expression like this. Fine. Now let me take another one example, case 3. Case 3. Taking another one example, case 3. Okay. Now this time I'm going to write a particular method that is going to return some value. Okay, write some public method, public int. It is going to return some value. And let's see, multiplication of int a. Okay, and this function is returning multiplication between these two value. So you can write here return, okay, return a into a. That's it. This is a simple Java method that is returning multiplication between the same number. Or you can use square also, you can use as you wish. Right. Now what I want is that I want to convert this method as a Lambda expression. Just now I told you that Lambda expression is nothing but It is nothing but your anonymous function. So no method name, no return type, no access specifier, and I have to use this symbol to identify that it is a Lambda expression. Fine. Now here, so now the thing is that in this example, in the left side, I told you that in case of Lambda expression, compiler automatically gets the data type. That is also not required. So in the left side, you have only one argument. So that bracket is also not required in the left side. That's it. Fine. Now on the right side, right? Now you can see here this method is returning the multiplication between the same number. You have to remember that inside curly brace, return is mandatory. Inside curly brace, return is mandatory. So, right, so you have to write here another one property, that inside curly brace, number 7 property is that inside curly brace, return is mandatory. Inside curly brace, return is mandatory. Yes, do you have used here like that? No, I don't want to use curly brace, then return is not mandatory. Remove return. So just see here the complete method converted into like this. So you have to remember based on the method that the left side is an input and the right side is the output. And what this is Lambda expression is doing? It is returning the multiplication between the same value. Correct? Yes. So sometimes you'll find that a particular variable is calling some other method. You know, sometimes you may find some scenario it's fine. I'll come into that. It's going to return like add method. It's going to call like that. I'll come into that after some time. It's okay. So the complete method you can convert like this using Lambda expression. Correct? Yes. At the end, semicolon is there because already you know, right? In Java, this is also at the end semicolon is there. So this is my Lambda expression. We got some idea, right? How this Lambda expression look like. This is the format. Though the Lambda expression is concept is same everywhere in Java, Python. Not only that, you know, if you go to in your in some AI applications, you know, deep learning applications, you know, you'll find there also you are going to use Lambda using your one of the deep learning framework talking about, that is last time we talked about on the deep learning framework called so there also you are going to use Lambda expression. Not only deep learning, if you go to some integration technologies, you know, integration domain or cloud environment, we go to microservices implementation in cloud environment, or microservice architecture in cloud environment, or microservice architecture in using Spring Boot. There also you'll find this Lambda expression, right? So I'm coming into that only. So first, what we find here is that this Lambda expression, we find some of the properties about Lambda expression is that how to convert a simple Java method as a Lambda expression, how it look like, that you talked about. Yes, and what I find is that yes, we can write very less and concise code based on these 3 examples. we can find, right? We can write a very less and concise code where Lambda expression will identify using this syntax in Java, because it may vary from different applications where you're going to use the Lambda expression syntax, but the concept is same. In Java, we'll identify the Lambda expression using this syntax, and this is the left side is an input and right side is an output, right?
Hi, this
Yes,
is
please.
Damodaran. I have one doubt regarding this case 3.
Yeah, yes, please tell me.
Yes, for that, it is returning means what could be a value of A? That is, it is storing somewhere, or it is returning means, suppose writing this, there is a method means how it will return. Suppose first there is a old method. If you are writing this method, if you are calling that that method means we will get that some integer. Now how I can assign this value to some other variable here?
Yes, I got your question. So that will be resolved after some time, because still now you have not told how to call a particular Lambda expression, right? Still now I just talk about how it look like, right? Next I'm coming how to call in the Lambda expression. Let me complete that. It will clear automatically.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So in this example, what we talk about is that how the Lambda expression look like. Fine. So now the question is that, yes, fine, I have converted my Java method as a Lambda expression, but till the time I can use that Lambda expression we use, right? So we should know that how I can execute a Lambda expression, right? So we have another one concept in Java 8. Its name is functional interface. So let me talk about functional. So another one point, Lambda expression is used, or functional interface is used to call Lambda expression. Okay, so if I want to execute a Lambda expression, I need functional interface. So this functional interface concept also came in Java 8. So before moving forward or executing a Lambda expression, we should know the next topic, that is what is functional interface in Java 8. Okay, then I'll come into how I can execute a Lambda expression. So this is the idea behind Lambda expression. So let's